clothes on because he's just coming right back up. For what? I think I gotta drop you off on the balcony.